Are you getting Fire Stick error code 3565? Then you are at the right place, since we have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your Fire TV stick. Error code 3565 on Amazon Fire TV devices typically indicates an issue with the payment method associated with your Amazon account. When you are getting this error code on Fire Stick, first of all, restart the device. Sometimes, due to minor bugs and glitches, you can get errors and a fresh restart can fix it up. Power off the device, unplug it from power for 1 minute. Then plug it back in and power it on again. Method 2. Verify your payment method. Ensure the credit or debit card or other payment option linked to your Amazon account is valid, has sufficient funds, and is not expired. You can visit this site https://www.amazon.com/cpe/yourpayments/settings/manage one click. Here you can check the payment method. You can also change it if necessary. Check the billing address and credit card related information. Make sure you have enough balance in your account so that you can make the purchase. If your payment method has changed, update the details and save the changes. Method 3. Clear the Prime Video app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app, Prime Video, and click Clear Cache or Clear Data as per our system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. Method 4. Check for app updates. Ensure the Prime Video app is up to date. Go to Settings, then select Applications. Then select Manage Installed Applications, then select the app. Here, we are selecting this app for example. Check for any available updates. Install the updates as available. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the problematic app. If the methods shown don't work, try uninstalling the app, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device, select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions, install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 6. Contact support. If nothing helps, then contact the app support team. For Amazon Prime Video app, contact here and follow the instructions provided by the experts. And there you have it, the ways to fix Fire Stick error code 3565. We hope one of the methods have helped for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.